you looking for an official and reliable DANAGO ticket website with the latest 2026 prices? Do you want to book tickets quickly in just a few simple, clear, and secure steps? And don't you want to miss out on attractive online booking offers in 2026? In this video, DANAGO, a leading and trusted travel company in Da Nang, will introduce the official DANAGO ticket booking website and provide a step-by-step guide to help. As an official partner of Sun World, DANAGO offers transparent, official ticket prices along with a convenient online booking website. With it, you can check accurate, up-to-date prices, book tickets online in just minutes, no waiting in line, pay securely and receive your e-ticket instantly via email or phone. DANAGO is the official DANAGO ticket distributor, offering great prices and safe service. Especially when booking DANAGO tickets online via DANAGO's website, you'll instantly receive a shocking discount, no requirements, no conditions, just one click, and the surprise is right in your hands. Step 1. Visit the website, DANATICKET.VN with the title, DANAGO ticket prices. Step 2. Select the correct information for yourself, local resident or visitor from another province, age group, and ticket type. Step 3. Fill in the personal details of the ticket user, full name, address, phone number, ID, passport, etc. Note: be sure to select the correct departure date so that your ticket remains valid. Step 4. Double-check your personal information, agree to the website's terms, and click Buy Now. Step 5. Choose your payment method, complete the payment, and receive your ticket as a QR code from DANAGO. DANAGO's website is certified by Vietnam's Ministry of Industry and Trade, ensuring credibility and transparency. Book with confidence online. DANAGO's cable car ticket prices 2026 with special offers from DANAGO. For out-of-province visitors, 1.000.000 Vietnamese dongs, adults, and 800 Vietnamese dongs, children and seniors. In addition, DANAGO has prepared value for money combo tickets that are convenient and budget-friendly for you to choose from. For international visitors, the full combo including the cable car and lunch buffet is offered at a very attractive price, 1.300.000 Vietnamese dongs for adults, 1.000.000 Vietnamese dongs for children, and 1.150.000 Vietnamese dongs for seniors. A highlight you definitely shouldn't miss when exploring DANAGO is DANAGO's captivating, mystical night combo. This special package includes evening admission and a premium dinner buffet, priced at just 1.050.000 Vietnamese dongs for adults, 850 Vietnamese dongs for children, and 1.000.000 Vietnamese dongs for seniors. DANAGO Ticket Policy 2026 Quick and Easy Guide by DANAGO. Starting in 2026, one ticket lets you enjoy DANAGO for 3 consecutive days. During these 3 days, you can use the cable car unlimited times. The 3-day period starts from the first Face ID scan when you enter the cable car. Combo cable car plus lunch buffet. Cable car, unlimited rides for 3 days. Lunch buffet, valid for one time only. DANA by night combo. Cable car, unlimited rides for 3 days. Applies for entry after 3 p.m. Face ID system. Face ID is a facial recognition system that allows fast and secure entry. After the first scan, no ticket is needed for later entries. Tickets are non-transferable after Face ID activation. The 2026 policy gives you more flexibility, better experiences, and greater convenience during your visit to DANAGO. Ticket pricing by age and height. Adults, height over 1.40 meters. Children, height from 1.00 meters to 1.40 meters. Seniors, over 70 years old, born in 1957 or earlier. Promotion period, DANAGO, Latest 2026 rates, from January 1st, 2026 to December 31st, 2026. For more details, please contact DANAGO, visit our website at DANAGO.VN, or call our hotline 0833.888 404 for consultation.